Are you a student or a professional who seek to acquire expertise in information and communication technology? Armstrong IT Training and Software Hub is here for you. All what you need to do is to visit our website, as you can see here. Just buy a course of your choice, study at your convenience. Or you can join our in-person section where we call face-to-face from our campus and study. We give 95% practical. And remember, distance is not a barrier. Armstrong IT Training and Software Hub, your most trusted partner, more or less, where vision meets excellence. We bring ICT to your doorstep. Without wasting much time, let's dive straight to today's lesson.
Disclaimer: before we begin, I want to make it clear that this tutorial is for educational purposes only. I'll be showing how to view a Wi-Fi password on a computer that is already connected to the network and owned by you. This is not hacking, and it should never be used to access networks without permission. The aim is simply to help users reconnect trusted devices like a new phone without resetting their router.
Let's say you have a router in the house, and then come to think of it, is connected to your laptop, and you just got a new phone. You wanted to connect that router to your phone, but you've forgotten your router password, so you can get access to the internet. Now, how can we do this for you not to reset your router? Now, this lesson is going to be step by step as to how to do that, and let's dash straight to it. So come think of it. First, I'm going to show you kind of like two methods as how to do this. As I just said, this lesson is just for education purpose. Now, to do this, first let's look at how to use command prompt to then show our router or Wi-Fi password and connect to our new mobile phone. So to do this, first you must just press the start button and type CMD, which is your command prompt. So after you type the CMD, go ahead and clear the screen, CLS. So after clearing the screen, now you must show your router password, or more or less a Wi-Fi password. Now bear in mind that the Wi-Fi must be is connected. You've forgotten the password. So let's look at it. So we just go ahead and write this command. So just go ahead and type this command, and after typing this command, it's going to show all the Wi-Fi or the Wi-Fi's or the routers that your laptop has ever been connected to. Okay, so I'll go ahead and press enter. So after pressing enter, now it has shown some couple of my first that's my laptop has been connected to. So you can see here I have the list of routers or hotspots or routers that my laptop has been connected to. But here I'm currently using this very router known as Selfline, okay, or probably Armstrong students have one router also known as Armstrong Net. Okay, so let me just do the Armstrong let's do the Selfline, so that we will just see the password of that and then connect to our new phone. So to do that, just go ahead and type the second command, and then you're going to pick the router name, okay, or the Wi-Fi name that your machine has ever been connected to, and then you just go ahead to show its password. So to do that, let's go ahead and do this. So what you must do is I'd like you to just go ahead and type this command as well. Go ahead and type the same command that you type, and we are going to just add something to it and you're good to go. So let's type this command. So after you type this command, now you must bring quotes, and after bringing the quotes, come and copy the router that you want to show its password. So I'll copy, hold on to Ctrl+C to copy that, and I'll hold on Ctrl+V to paste that there and close the quote. Then after that, I'll space that and I'll say key, okay, equal to clear, key clear. Then after that, I'll press enter. So the moment I press enter, it's going to show my router password, and you can see here where we have key connect. This is my router password, and I can equally use that to connect to my phone, and then I'm good to go. So let's also assume that you are connected to we wanted to show this very password. We have Armstrong nets, okay, or Armstrong, they want to show that. So to show that, you can equally go ahead and type the same command that I typed here, which is this command. You type, so in between here you can just put the router name, and then it's good, you are good to go, and it's going to display the password for you. As you can see here, I can equally type that password and connect to my new phone. Okay, let's say you are someone who loves to use a graphical interface, you are not too good using command prompt. So now let's close this. Let me show you the second method without using command prompt to show the password that you have forgotten not to restart your router. So let me just close command prompt, type exit, EXIT, and I've closed my command prompt. The next thing I'd like you to do, by you showing your password, your router password, just go ahead and hold on to Windows and press R. Okay, Windows plus R is going to display this for you, which is going to display the run. And I'd like you to type this command. You just type ncpa. Okay, make sure it's typed in caps, ncpa. Okay, dots. Okay, cpl. Okay, in small letters, of course, dot cpl, and press enter. Now when to press enter, it's going to open your network connectivity, and then it's connected. Now currently you can see here, as you can all see, my Wi-Fi is connected to Armstrong student. So I'm going to just right click on that, and as I right click on it, it's going to display some series of menus. Now go ahead and click on status. Click on that. And after I click on status, what I'm going to do, I have to go to Wi-Fi properties. Click on Wi-Fi properties. Then you go ahead and go to security, and you click on show here. We have show characters, which is going to show your network security key. The moment I click on that, you can see here, this is my password, and then I can just type this to my phone, and I'm good to go. And I hope this video has helped you out there. And if you are new there, you can just go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and also anytime we drop a lesson like this, like education lesson, you can just be notified. As always, that is just that.
Armstrong and training and software hub, we're leading the way, bringing our ICT to your doorstep every day. Where vision meets excellence, we stand strong, transforming students where they belong. Armstrong and training. Armstrong and training.